Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will review a question regarding the governor. The purpose of this video is not to deliver a perfect model answer how you can write in the mains, but to deliver how you can develop an answer writing and basic framework of the answer writing. That's it. Okay, let's start the question. And the question says that examine the constitutional role of the governor. Okay, constitutional role of the governor. Discuss the major controversies associated with the functioning of the governor. Okay, then suggest the reforms to ensure the office of functions in accordance with the spirit of the cooperative federalism. Okay, there are three subparts of the question. The one is asking that we have to enumerate the examine the constitutional role of the governor and major controversies associated with the governor, and we have to suggest the reforms there are. So we should fit in the mind that there are subparts. We have to address these three subparts. Okay, let's review our introduction. uh, I every time believe that introduction can be started in various ways, but in polity answers, if you get a chance to introduce with the article, you should do that. So my introduction goes like Article 153 to 167 of the Constitution envisages the governor as the constitutional head of the state and vital link between the union and the state government. So then I started with the constitutional role of the governor. Okay, so I have listed the executive role, and then the legislative discretion. Okay, reserve for reserving the bill for president's assent, addressing the legislature. Okay, then what is the emergency role? So recently the president rule was imposed in Manipur. Though I had given that as an example. Okay, then judicial or administrative role. You can write it separately or you can merge it because it will become a lengthy answer. So I had merged it. So I had to merge it. So let's then comes the major controversies regarding the governor. So discretion, misuse, partisan role in the government formation in Maharashtra 2019. Giving the example is, I think, most important task. That's not necessary to give every examples in every point, but you have to try at most to give the examples so that you can convey your point better to the examiner. Okay. Then delay in assent. Okay. Then Article 356 misuse. Okay, it was upheld in SR Bomai case. Quoting the Supreme Court judgments are also important to enrich your marks. So parallel power center. Okay, then I have started giving the way forward. Like discretion must be clearly defined. So it was the recommendation of the Kunchi Commission. So you can quote that. So Kunchi Commission, you can quote that. Transparent appointment. So governor must not be a politically inclined person. This was the recommendation given by the Sarkaria Commission. So and that tenure security of tenure so that governor can perform his duty with his will. Then So then I had given the conclusion like in 2 lines. Governor's role should reinforce the cooperative federalism rather than upholding partisan federalism. This was my video. Hope you all like it. So thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video.